I had put off my surgery, number one, because I was scared. And number two, I just didn't know what to think about the whole thing.
She was miserable. It was really difficult for her getting up out of the chair and walking across the parking lot or something like this. Everything was a chore.
Finally, I told my doctor, I need to have it done. We checked into the hospital, and it was easy sailing. The next day, I was up and walking. Once I got into the rehab, I was scared continuously. They encouraged me, challenged me, and kept me safe every step of the way.
Palmdale Region was just been amazing working with her. She's established friendships with some of the folks that have been here too. It's been a complete change of lifestyle for her. Every morning she's up now going to the gym. She runs around with the kids. She runs circles around me. I have a hard time keeping up with her. Everything she wanted to be able to do, she's able to do now.
That's what it's all about. Palmdale made a real difference for me.